Hello. Welcome to our Speak Easy course, Lesson 9. In the previous lesson, we had a phonology diagnostic test for you to find out which sounds of the English language you need to practice. And in the lessons before that, we discussed the relationship between sounds and spelling in English, and examined the 5 different sounds represented by the letter A in English. You can find all the previous lessons on the playlist. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at other sounds that many students find difficult. This time, we will talk about the consonant sounds P and B. Remember, these are not the letter P and B. When they come between slashes, these symbols like inclined lines, they are the sounds P and B. Now, there is an important difference between these sounds. When we make the sound P, we do not use our vocal cords, which means there is no vibration on our throat. P. Check it out. P. Look at the diagrams. Listen and say the sound P. That is how you do it. P. 1. Stop the air behind your lips. 2. Open your lips to release the air. If you hold a piece of paper in front of your mouth when you open your lips, the paper moves, because the sound is actually made by a puff of air. P. That is why we call it a voiceless sound, because there is no voice or no vocal cords vibration. Try it again. P. Now let's try the other sound B. This is a voiced sound. So when we make this sound, we vibrate our vocal cords. B. Listen and try again. B. Look at the diagrams. Listen and say the sound B. That is how you do it. B. 1. Stop the air behind your lips. 2. Open your lips to release the air. Note that the diagram shows the vibration of the vocal cords. If you hold a piece of paper in front of your mouth when you make this sound, the paper doesn't move, because it is a voiced sound. Now try to make each of these sounds with your hand on your throat to feel the vibration when you say B, and no vibration when you say P. So repeat after me. B, P. And how about the spelling? These 2 sounds are actually very easy when it comes to spelling. P is spelt P or PP. Have a look. Paper, plane, apple, appear, people. Do you know the meaning of all these words? If you don't, look them up in the Cambridge Dictionary. There is a link in the description of this video. Now listen and repeat the words. Paper, plane, apple, appear, people. B is spelt B or BB. Have a look. Ball, baby, rubber, rubbish, breakfast. Do you know the meaning of all these words? If you don't, look them up in the Cambridge Dictionary. Remember the link in the description of this video. Now listen and repeat the words. Ball, baby, rubber, rubbish, breakfast. Okay. Now listen and repeat the sentences. First with a P sound. Your pancakes look really good. There is a sale on pants today. We go to the park once a week. He needs to sharpen his pencil. He found a penny on the ground. He has nothing in his pocket. Then with a B sound. That is a cute baby. The bear was hunting for food. My bed is soft. The bee works to make honeycomb. He liked to bike long distances. I love to go bird watching. Some things to remember. P is silent at the beginning of a few words. Listen and repeat. Psychology. Pneumonia. Psychiatrist. The word cupboard is pronounced cupboard. Don't pronounce the P. The same with the word receipt. Don't pronounce the P. PH is usually pronounced f. Like in phone, photo, autograph. B is silent at the end of a few words. Listen and repeat. Climb. Comb. Thumb. Lamb. As an exercise, you could try to remember words with a p and with a b. Write them down and practice your pronunciation. Don't miss the next lesson. We will talk about other sounds and practice with you to improve your speaking.